So essentially, here's what our completed page is going to look like after this lesson. We have a nice nav bar complete with a search. We can type in something, we can hit search. That will go down to our service layer. We haven't worked out the details of what the service layer will do with the DAO. Don't worry, we have plenty of time left this semester to look at that, but we do have this integrated search button and nav bar. Also, we have a consistent nav bar across our application. So you see here, this is our home page. This is the page that was our home page for a long time, and it's gotten a bit of a technology tune-up. You see I can click back and forth between these two, and the nav bar remains the same because the nav bar is essentially a component that we can redeploy across both of these domains. So let's go ahead and update our Scrum board from last week and also new things this week. This is something your group should be doing at least on a weekly basis, if not even more frequent than that. So last week we did create the DAO interface. We'll go ahead and move that to done. We did create our BDD unit test and given when then. We started on a service implementation. We'll continue to work on that. We created our stub. We created the service interface. For the DAO layer, we haven't created any tests yet. Handle inputs through the Spring controller. We're going to start working on that this week. Create a DAO interface. We did finish that last week, so we'll go ahead and move that to complete. Create a look and feel page for insert and edit mode. We're getting close for that. Create a look and feel page for view mode. We'll go ahead and put that one in progress. So set up a template for consistency. We're going to do that this week as well. So you see, we're making great progress against our tasks for this sprint, and that's good because the end of sprint is coming up next week. So try to get your final tasks in. The more stuff you can get in, the better your code review is going to be. I'm not going to grade your end of sprint product, but I am going to grade the code reviews. And a note, part of our project includes that you have merged code review recommendations into your final project before the end of the semester. So it's to your benefit to put as much as you can into each sprint so that you can get better feedback on those code reviews, and then you'll have a better product when you go to submit the final product this semester. Aside from that, we have a quiz and quiz question suggestions, and that wraps up this learning module. So I think you're going to enjoy it, and I look forward to seeing your feedback and taking a look at your Sprint 1. Thank you.